we're going to be flying upwards and downwards, doing a kind of a reveal shot close up to point of interest. Are you ready? Now my goal is to inch right up to this thing. I definitely want to be on the sidewalk, but I don't want to be too close to the building. And when you're pulling off these shots, you definitely want to be in line of sight. I'm not going to be able to stress that again, because you want to see how close you are in proximity to, in this case, a building. It looks like I'm a lot closer, see? But I'm actually not. I'm actually watching it, so I know I'm not that close. However, that's good for me. That's the downward sensors going off. If anything, I know I can pull this stick back and back away from whatever I'm watching, because I know that there's nothing behind me. So just in case the wind blows, it's kind of blowing me into the building or something, I know I can pull backwards. But either which way, I'm gonna rise up slowly. Here we go. Slowly, I'm rising, and I'm watching the drone. I'm not watching the screen because I already have my camera set. I want to make sure my drone is safe. And as I'm rising up, I'm rising up. Boom, there you go. I've cleared the building, and there is the shot I'm looking for. There it is, guys. Oh, barely got it in frame. I can twist a little bit more, and boom, bakala, you are in frame. Oh gosh, look at that. I even look down as I'm doing it. Look at that. Give a little, 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 give a little. Ooh. Bang. That's the way you do the shot, guys. This is simple. This is like one of the most underrated shots. Okay, let's head over there by the Heineken signs. I'm actually watching my surroundings. So I'm looking at what's on the rooftop right now. I'm looking at the trees below me, and of course daytime is a must for this, because you want to, you want to be able to be aware of your surroundings. I'm not saying don't fly when it's when the sun is setting and stuff like that, but if you really want to get a good idea of your surroundings, first fly it in the day and then maybe fly it in the sunset. Here we go. I'm gonna pick the tallest sign simply because it's the easiest, right? Because the sign to my left, if you look at the left, the Heineken sign on the left that doesn't have any writing, that's close to the sidewalk, and the other one on the right's close to the road. So the safest bet is that one right there. So I'm gonna come down here. I can look down and see too. So I'm looking down, I can see what's below me, stuff like that. Okay, I know I have space between the trees, plus my downward sensor is now going off. I want to get at this point a little closer, right? And when you're setting up your shots, you don't have to be hitting record. I'm just recording because I want to show you. And if you notice, I'm not pointing my camera all the way down. I'm like pointing it halfway down, so I can still see a little bit of what's in front of me and what's below me. So I kind of have a good vantage point, and then I can always look down and see, like if there's any chimney or anything poking out, anything in my way. I can look up front, see if there's any obstacles as I'm raising up, because you don't want to raise up. Sometimes these signs, like how you see it now, have lights protruding out. So as I'm here and I have a good vantage point of there's nothing around me to the right, I have clearance, I'm just gonna move up a little bit to the right. That's the safest way to do it. I mean, you can turn like this and fly to the side like this, but you want to check your surroundings first, because you don't want to hit anything, right? I'm just teaching you the safest way to do this. The lower I start the shot, the better I think it looks. So as you can see, there's some kind of elevation there in that building. It looks like one building is roof. There's like a nudge. You see that little nudge there? You got to be careful with that little stuff. I doubt whether I'm going that low, but I just want you to be aware of the fact that I did see it. I'm gonna look up and see if I'm low enough. Actually, I can get a little lower and a little bit closer. A little bit closer and a little bit lower. Right, there we go. All I have to do is push the left stick straight up to go up. Let's just hit record, and I'm gonna start going up on the stick, and boom, I'm gonna start raising my gimbal up same time. Your summer, your adventure, Heineken light. Come on, Heineken. You owe me big bucks for this, Heineken. You owe me big bucks for this one. You do, Heineken. And then I'll just look up. Oh, look at that. That one is the city. Now you get your shot. That's it. You turn around. Right? Don't back out. Look for a safe way out. Or I can do this. I can make sure the back of me is clear. See how it's clear over here? There's nothing around me. I can safely back up for a good couple of miles. I don't have nothing to worry about. And then you can even, you know, put a little twist on the shot. You know, go up to the Heineken a little bit, hit record, and then back away. Another thing I want you guys to know, this works both ways. This works whether you're at the bottom going up, or if you're doing from the top coming down. Same basic principles. This is your boy Drone X Factor. If this video brought you any value at all, make sure you smash that like button, hit subscribe, give me a thumbs up please, share this video in your favorite drone group, show some love, head over to my Patreon account, drop me $1 so I can continue to make more videos like this. Guys, this is your boy Drone X Factor. I hope you learned a thing or two, and I've got to be flying up.